Here is a Honda Ridgeline. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the passenger side door. Now we need to open up the glove box. Whatever you have in the glove box, just take it out. Now there's a stopper, one on each side, that's holding the glove box in place. So we need to squish it in to get the glove box down. Squish it in from both the sides at the same time, and the glove box just comes down. It's easy if you use both your hands for this. That's the stopper that I'm talking about. Now this gives us access to the cabinet filter, which is right over there. So press this clip in from here, press this other clip in from over there. Now grab the entire tray and pull it out, and out it comes. There you go. Let's get the filter out. Now the top side of the filter is the dirty side. All the dirt is trapped over there. The bottom side of the filter is the clean side. So the outside air comes from the top, dirt gets trapped there, clean air from the bottom goes into the vehicle. The airflow directions from top to bottom. Check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself. Now let's go ahead, put the new filter in, and it only goes in one direction. See, if you put it the wrong way, see, it's going to be sticking out. And even with the right way, you may have to do some squishing to just get it in. Good. Now let's put this entire tray back into the vehicle. There you go. Just push it in all the way and then click it, and that's good. Now push the glove box back in place. This is working good, and that's about it. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They're a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory. Thank you.